Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create your own composition book cover on Canva. So go to Elements and type in notebook pattern here. And if you can't find it, maybe just type in composition notebook. Is it like this one? I feel like it's this one, right? Surely. Okay, so it is this one. And then you can also just add in the label. If you can't find it, type in notebook label like so. You can also select maybe this one if you don't like the one that was there. So I'm just going to do that. And then here I'm just going to add like a frame. You can design it however you want, of course. I'm just going to add, for instance, this on. Okay, this is a little bit too... Can I make it shorter? Okay, I can. Like that, maybe. And then I'm going to type in like school pattern. I don't know. And here I'm just going to add, for instance, this on. You can add in, again, anything that you would like to it. And then I'm going to type in student character. And then let's see if there's any one that I think is cute or if it's the theme. Let me see. Should I just do this one? You know what? I'm gonna just do like the wizard one. Obviously, you're going to match your student. I don't teach. I just make tutorials, so okay, you know what? Maybe not. Sorry, hold on. What about just student? Okay, let's do this. And then you can add like even more stickers to it if you'd like to. So just gonna make it a little bit bigger. Like stationery stickers. Why am I having a hard time to decide how to design it? I'll just type in stickers, honestly. Sticker shape. Sticker shapes. I'm gonna add this because your feelings do matter. Okay, probably don't add that one. Let's just look at the magic recommendations here. Maybe I'm very proud of you. Oh, me? Okay. I mean, you should be very proud of yourself. Dream without fear. I don't know. Just add whatever you want to this. This is going to be your design anyways. And then on the composition book, you can add like a text box here. And then you can type in, for instance, your student's name. I'm just going to type in Nora. I don't know, it just came up in my head. Add that here. You can change the font as well. You can add like an outline effect so it looks more like a sticker as well here. I'm just going to change the text to like pink, and then the outline, let's do like let's do that. Hold on, let me... Bruh, that's just not what... Sorry. This is not what I wanted. Okay, I think that's good. And yeah, that is pretty much it really. Super simple. Just print it and paste it on the book. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.